Welcome back to the ArborScope demonstration channel. This is a quick tutorial video on how to add non-tree features to your ArborScope inventory. I'm going to scroll to the top of the screen, come up to our Manage Features tab, highlight the Add Non-Tree Feature. The Add Non-Tree Feature page is going to load, and let's go locate our first non-tree feature. We know that this feature was planted right off this parking lot, so we're going to click here. As you can see, when we click on the map, it's going to populate our latitude and longitudes. If you're in the field, you can also use the My Location button, which is going to use the GPS on your mobile device. I'm going to come down here and add a new feature. This is a bird box. This is actually the second bird box in this inventory, so we're going to keep it as number 2. We can scroll down and hit Add Non-Tree Feature. As you can see, there is a details page for the specific non-tree feature, Bird Box 2. We can move its location information. We can add recommendations. We can come in here and add images. So let's go look at this non-tree feature on the map. Click the map view page. The map view page is going to load, and when we zoom into that area, you can see our Bird Box 2 is here. This ID number is its unique feature ID, but we all know it's bird box number 2. Okay, so that's simple non-tree features. Let's come back up here to our Manage Features tab, non-tree features, and let's look at the list of non-tree features that we can add. Come down to our feature type. We have a whole list of different non-tree features to add to an inventory. Keep in mind, the information that can be associated with a non-tree feature is very limited compared to a tree. Because ArborScope is a tree management software and not a bird box management software or a trash can management software, the non-tree features have fewer options. The next non-tree feature that we want to add is a fence line. We can come in here and select fence line. Let's scroll back up on our map. And now we're going to pan across and navigate to our fence line along this field. So how we apply a line or polygon feature is we have to drop the pin where it starts. We select fence line. It's going to give it a numeric ID. We come down here and select Add Non-Tree Feature. As you can see, we're on the fence line 1 details page. We can come in here and edit. You can see the different information that can be associated with a fence line. All of these information boxes, again, are different per the non-tree feature, but they are limited compared to a tree. If you want to archive this feature, this is how we remove it from the map. Cancel. So I want to come down here and do location information. We're going to click the gray pencil on the location information, come down here to edit on map, and as you can see, we have our start of our fence line. So what we do to stretch our fence line is click on the map, and we want to drag it to a corner, and then we can move it to fit. We can make it simple and straight, or if we wanted to make it a 90 degree, we have to put it across, and then we can bend the line to fit wherever it needs to be. So now when we hit submit, let's come up to map view, and now you're going to see that we now have our fence line drawn in up here on the map. Here's fence line 1, and we can also, again, view more details if necessary. Let's do one more non-tree feature. Let's do a maintenance bed. So we come up here to Manage Features, add a non-tree feature. Let's come up here to our nursery stock. So we're going to drop a pin in the corner. I'm going to scroll down, come down to our feature type, and let's do collection area. We're going to hit Add Non-Tree Feature. And again, from that Non-Tree Feature tab, Collection Area 2, we're going to come in here to View Location Information. We're going to hit Edit Pencil. We're going to edit on map. And then when the map loads up, we're going to take our corner. We're going to draw a line. And then this is where we can split it into a polygon. So we come down here to Submit. Pull up the details page. Let's go back to map view. And now you can see that we now have our collection area, and we can come in here and add information. Go to view more details. We can change any information about the collection area, make some general notes. Again, we can archive it. So all the non-tree features work pretty much the same way, depending if it's a point, a line, or a polygon. Let's go back up to the map view page, and we can show you how to turn on and off the non-tree features from your map view display. Very simply, we can come down here to our options button in the interactive legend, and here we can come in and turn off one by one, or if you come up to your general area, we can select them all at once. Let's come in here and hit apply. And now you're going to notice all of our non-tree features are not on the map anymore. Well, that was a quick tutorial on how to add and manage non-tree features within your ArborScope inventory.